Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 31 and 34 of leverage analysis CMA Inter Group Second. Okay, cost and FM. Please read the questions here. This is an important question. This question has been asked in your exam many times. Please read this question. Illustration number 31. 31. The selected financial data A, B and C companies for the year ended March 2016 are as follows. Particulars. Variable expenses is a percentage of sales. This is a variable expenses 66.67%, 75%, and this is your 50%. Okay. Now, interest interest amount is given here 200, 300, 1000. Degree of operating leverage and degree of financial leverage, that is income tax rate 50%, 50%, 50%. Okay, this question is 31 and this is the question number 34. Exactly the same you have to do, just a slightly numerical change. Here tax rate is a 45%, here tax rate is a 50%. That is 4.1 degree of financial leverage. This is also 4.1 degree of financial leverage. Degree of combined leverage 5.1. This is slightly changed. I am going to solve one questions, that is question, that is the 31 number question I am going to solve. In income statement you have to make. So I am going to solve question number B. Look at illustration number B and you will do yourself for A and C as well as question number 34. Income statement means you have to do here sales revenue. You have to calculate here sales revenue less variable cost. Thereafter it will come contribution here, contribution less fixed cost. After fixed cost it will come EBIT. After EBIT you have to subtract less interest. After subtracting interest you will get EBT, earning before tax, less tax, earning after tax. These all information you need to calculate from the given data, and out of given data what is information is given here. Company statement showing, thereafter a statement showing income, statement showing income statement for company B. You have to calculate, you have to write this at the starting. Here you have to write. Okay, look at it. Out of these all data required, in the question it is given only interest. Okay, so you write here interest is applied here 300. Other informations are not given in the question. Okay, remaining all things you need to calculate. Wherever questions come like this, you have to apply degree of operating leverage or degree of financial leverage. You should first apply that operating leverages or financial leverage in which formula some numerical part is given. That should be given in the, that should be available in the question. What I want to say, whenever, look at here, whenever we have to find some data on the basis of information in questions, information in questions. In that case, we should apply that formula, that we should apply that relation in which some numerical data data some numerical data is used and which should be given in the question, which should be given in the questions, given in the questions, it should be given in the question. Look at it here, degree of operating leverage is given as well as degree of financial leverage is given. Degree of operating leverage, as we know that degree of operating leverage, we know that contribution upon EBIT, contribution upon EBIT, in which interest is not applied. But in degree of financial leverage is given, degree of financial leverage in which EBIT upon EBT. EBT can be written here, EBIT minus EBIT minus interest. Here interest numerical data is given, degree of financial leverage is given. In this way, we can calculate EBIT here. After calculating EBIT, other information also we can calculate. Okay. Therefore, wherever we have to apply some formula to find some data, we should use first that formula in which some numerical data is used that should be available in the question. That should be available in the question. That's why I'm going to apply here degree of financial leverage. Working note first you have to show here. Working note first. Calculation of degree of finance, degree of calculation of EBIT using degree of financial leverage. Degree of financial leverage equal to EBIT upon EBT. EBIT, how you can write EBT? EBIT minus interest. Okay, that this is your X for company B. Company B, what is the interest you have? Interest you have 300. You write here, interest you have 300. You write here 300. What is the degree of financial leverage you have? Degree of financial leverage is of 4, company B. That is the 4. Company B is a 4. 4 is to 1 means 4. 4 x minus 300 or 4x minus 1200 equal to x, or 4x minus x equal to 1200, or x equal to 1200 divided by 3, that equal to 400. That is EBIT equal to 400. Here in data you can write EBIT that equal to 400. Interest 300, this is your this. Tax rate 50%, that is the 50. Earning after tax, it will become 50. Okay. Degree of financial leverage. Degree of financial leverage, you have 4. That's why this is a 4. Okay. Now, working note. Calculation of contribution using degree of operating leverage. Degree of operating leverage equal to contribution upon EBIT. In the case of company B, degree of operating leverage is here 6 and EBIT we have calculated 400. 6 contribution, this equal to 400, or contribution equal to 6 into 400, that equal to 2400. Contribution equal to 400. Now you can apply here contribution equal to 400. 2400 contribution equal to 2400. Now fixed cost can be written as EBIT contribution minus fixed cost. Now fixed cost equal to contribution minus EBIT. This is 2400 minus EBIT 400. 400. That's why it is 2000. So here fixed cost is 2000. Now sales revenue you need to calculate. Working calculation of sales revenue. Contribution equal to sales minus variable cost. Sales suppose is X and variable cost percentage is given here. Variable expenses as a percentage of sales. In the case of B, this is 75%. This is a 75%. So you can write here 0.75x variable cost is of this, or 2400 x minus 0.75x, this is 25x, or x equal to 2400 divided by 0.25. 2400 divide 0.25, this is 9600. 9600. So you write here sales 9600, 75% of 9600, variable cost is 75% of 9600, 0.75, 7200. Now you have shown the income statement for company B. In the same way, you can calculate for company A and company C as well. And as well as question number 34 you can do. So do this question, solution is already available in your book, and that I am going to provide here. Look at here, situation solutions is given. Operating profit. Look at here. Sales 9600, EBIT 2400, fixed cost 2000, it is already calculated. 9600, 7200, 2400, 2400, 300, this. Okay, all information is calculated. ठीक, ओके बेटा. Now you can do for A yourself, C yourself as I have done for B. Okay, you can complete these questions. Okay, thank you class.